Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Extra Subject. In this video, we will learn basics of English grammar. English grammar is the base of English language. It controls the structure and usage of language. It covers various aspects of language, such as tenses, parts of speech, sentence structure, etc. Understanding and using of proper grammar is essential for effective communication in both written and spoken English. English has 26 alphabets, 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Combination of consonants makes a word. Combination of consonants and vowels also make a word. Joining of words makes a sentence. Parts of speech is the foundation of English grammar. There are 8 parts of speech. First one is noun, followed by pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjunctions. In this video, we will see the details of noun. Noun is the name of person, place, or things. Example: Ram, Mumbai, table. There are 4 types of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. Proper noun is the name of a particular person or place. Example: Usha, Mohan. Mumbai, Kochi. Common noun is the common to every person of thing of same class. Example: men, country. Collective noun, name of collection of persons, thing spoken as a whole. Collective noun is a type of noun that identifies group of people and things. Team, a group of people working together. Herd, a group of animals. Fleet, a group of ship. Abstract noun. An abstract noun is a type of noun that refers to intangible concepts, ideas, feelings, qualities. Example: happiness, freedom, justice, courage, honesty, etc. These are the basics of noun. Before concluding the video, I request all of you to support my channel by like, share and subscribe.